How to use promo code on Zara. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, let's go into your Chrome browser and search for a website called keycodes.eu, and here you will find many brands here. So we're gonna go for Zara now. So let's click on it. Simply you have to just type your email and select your platform and just simply proceed. So it will take few seconds and you will get your coupon code after verifying your email. So this is how you can use your promo code for Zara.